Justice Department is fighting back in the legal battle over top secret documents seized at Mar-a-Lago. DOJ lawyers say they plan to appeal a Trump-appointed judge's ruling that blocks investigators from retrieving the stash of files unless the judge makes some big changes. The judge ordered a pause in effect until a neutral special master can sift through all the documents and pick out anything that's covered by executive privilege, therefore off limits. In a court filing today, DOJ lawyers argue slowing down a criminal investigation involving risks to national security would cause irreparable harm to the public and the government. The Justice Department is asking the judge to allow investigators to keep reviewing more than 100 classified documents. The feds say a special master could still look through other seized evidence, but not the classified material. If the judge does not agree with the request, the DOJ is threatening to go to the appeals court. For legal analysis, former federal prosecutor Renato Mariotti is here. Renato, this really doesn't look like a clear appeal. What exactly is the department doing here?
Well, I think they're actually trying to give the judge a bit of an out. They're trying to give her a path out of a ruling that I think is very questionable. So what they're basically telling her is, we're going to give you part of what you ordered, but if you decide that you aren't going to let us, for example, proceed with our review of these classified documents, or, for example, if you're going to have the special master review them, we're going to appeal this. And what that suggests to me is that these documents are so highly classified that the government doesn't even want a special master taking a look at these documents. And they think that their continued evaluation of these documents is important for our national security.
If the judge doesn't back off on this order, take the out, as you put it, does this mean we'd see a long, drawn-out fight? Isn't that what DOJ is trying to avoid here?
Yeah, I think what DOJ is doing, and I think it's fairly smart on their part, is they're going to agree to the appointment of a special master as to certain aspects of this, as to, for example, attorney-client privilege documents. They're going to return a lot of the former president's property to basically narrow the issues here and get it down to something that is very hard for the Court of Appeals to rule against them on, and that is their use of their own classified documents, which are government property, which are not covered by any privilege and are not owned by the former president. And I think, they're basically trying to keep the process moving and give themselves the strongest possible grounds for appeal.
Renato Mariotti, thank you.